Ever looked at your mechanical keyboard and thought, this needs a little something extra, a touch of magic? Well, get ready, because these handmade resin keycaps might just be the answer you've been searching for. This isn't just another accessory, it's a statement piece, a tiny work of art designed to elevate your typing experience. The moment you touch these, you immediately notice the quality. They're crafted from a high-quality, clear resin that feels incredibly smooth, almost like glass under your fingertips. And that clarity isn't just for show. It's designed to resist yellowing over time, which is a huge plus for anyone investing in custom keycaps. You want your keyboard to look good for years, right? This resin delivers on that promise. But where these really shine, literally, is with backlighting. If your keyboard has LEDs, these keycaps are an absolute game changer. The resin allows light to pass through beautifully, transforming your keyboard's glow into something truly mesmerizing. It's not just about seeing the light. It's about how the light interacts with the unique design, creating a subtle, ambient glow that really elevates the whole setup. It's a visual treat, especially in a dimly lit room. Compatibility is often a concern with custom keycaps, but thankfully, these come in the standard OEM profile. This means they'll feel familiar right away, maintaining that comfortable typing experience you're used to. And for those wondering about fit, they're designed for Cherry MX-style stems, which covers a vast majority of mechanical keyboards out there. Think Gaterin, Kyle, Outemu, you name it. Swapping them out is a breeze, and they sit perfectly alongside your existing keys. Now here's where the artisan truly comes in. Each one of these keycaps is individually cast and finished by hand. That's right, handmade. This isn't some mass-produced item. You're getting a truly one-of-a-kind piece. It means there might be slight variations, but that's part of their charm, knowing your keycap is unique to you. You can really feel the passion that went into making these. And speaking of unique, this particular offering is a combo 5 buttons. This isn't just about getting one cool keycap, you're getting a set of 5, allowing you to spread that artisan touch across your keyboard. Imagine personalizing your ESC, your Enter, maybe a few function keys, or even your arrow keys. It gives you so much flexibility to create a cohesive, personalized look that truly reflects your style. While the brand is listed as generic, the handmade, manufactured detail really tells the story. This isn't about a big name. It's about the craftsmanship and the individual attention to detail that goes into each piece. So, if you're looking to inject some personality and premium feel into your mechanical keyboard, these handmade resin keycaps are an absolutely fantastic choice. They offer stunning aesthetics, great compatibility, and that unique artisan touch that truly sets them apart. It's a small investment for a significant visual and tactile upgrade that you'll appreciate every single day.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.